Okay, we're back. It's cardboxbreak.com. This didn't take long at all. Um, Alan P. Got in touch with me, wants to do the solo box break, and I believe this is the last one I'm going to have for sale. I have one more that I was saving for promotional. Um, those of you that see this, shoot me an email. If you want me to put this one on there to sell it before the Triple Threads comes out later this week, I'll do so, and then I can always replace the promotional box if need be. So I may be emailing you guys anyway just to see what your thoughts are, or maybe we'll just get kickstarted on selling out Topps Triple Threads because I know some of you have been excited for that. So without further ado, Alan, again, appreciate it. Cardboxbreak.com. This one's for you, buddy. And you are familiar with the site, so you know that I'm going to take the top one here out of the two that are left. So that's that. One more. I can't believe this case is almost gone. Not too shabby there. So there you are. Alan, as you very well know, just take the decoy here, set that down, and the box we're going to be breaking today is 5569. 5569. So let's go. Okay. And inside we got the checklist. Get rid of that. To the side here. And empty box. Toss it. And we have our 4 packs here. And away we go. First pack always gives me trouble. There we go. Alright. And I see a redemption already. Gotta love those. Okay. First card's a rookie royalty, DeMarco Murray. Not a bad little start there. Rookie royalty insert, DeMarco Murray. Following that, we have Ricky Stanzi, rookie for the Chiefs. After that, we have Vonta Leach for the Texans. All pros. And after that, believe you're a Patriots fan, Alan. Wes Welker. I think you just pulled a blue one of these. And followed by that, we have another blue. This one, Muhammad Wilkerson, rookie for the Jets. And that is going to be serial numbered. It's a low one. 6 out of 100 for the Muhammad Wilkerson. And I got the decoy, and I got the, we're going to do a slow reveal on the redemption. So it is 2011 Panini Crown Royal Signatures Gold, card number 101. Signatures Gold 101. Is that just a regular base? And I'm just going to toss that decoy that I used. Let's pull out the checklist. I'm looking for... It's not the rookie die cut, it's 101, so this is what I will always double check, but this is what it looks like. Looks like an... Wow, that's not really focusing, is it? It's tough on the top there. It is 101 Aaron Williams, which I believe is the defensive back for the Bills. So, hey, I mean it's an auto. Maybe wish it was a little better than that if it's a redemption, but oh well. All right, there's still 3 more packs. We're hoping for something big here. Pack number 2. First up, we have a Majestic die cut for Danny Woodhead. Now you're a Patriots guy. Next, we have a rookie for the Giants, Marvin Austin. And following that, we have a royalty of Steve Bartkowski for the Falcons. And after that, for the Lions, Matthew Stafford. And after that, we have, next card's not too shabby. Percy Harvin, Minnesota Vikings. Not this card, the next card, the next hit. So the hit in pack 2 is for the Carolina Panthers, and it's a sick patch, but it is not of Cam Newton, unfortunately. Steve Smith, Carolina Panthers. That's a nice 3-break patch, prime jersey for Steve Smith. That is low numbered. Wow, what an awful spot that's in. Right. It is 45. I think you're just going to have to trust me on that, because where that is, 45 of 50. Can just about make up that 5. 45 of 50 on the prime patch, Steve Smith. All right, pack 3. Looking for something huge. Where's that Cam Newton? We need to have a Cam in this case. All right. First card for the Jets. Calling all captains, Mark Sanchez. This card. Next up, for the Green Bay Packers, DJ Williams for the Packers. Following that, another one for you, New England Patriot, Wes Welker for the New England Patriots. That's a Kings of the NFL insert. And following that, Pittsburgh Steelers, Rashard Mendenhall. And after that, oh my God, the last hit in this box is sick. But before we get to that, we have a Ryan Williams, Crown Jewel Rookies. Ryan Williams. This next card is so sick. What we have here, it's a little, looks like it's a little dinged up on the bottom here. I'll show you that in a second. A royalty patch auto of Dan Marino. That is a really sick card. And I'm going to show you that. Maybe you can't see it. If you can't see it, it's not that bad, but right on the bottom here, you can kind of see it right as the light passes over it. It's like a little ridge, but still a really nice card, and that is going to be numbered very low, 9 out of 25. So big hit there, Dan Marino, legend auto patch. And we still have one pack left, so I know you're not too upset so far, so maybe we can snag one more big hit before we go. All right, first card. Doug Flutie, Buffalo Bills. Living Legends. And following that, we have a Greg McElroy for the New York Jets. Greg McElroy. Sorry. And after that, we have an In the Zone Mike Thomas for the Jaguars. After that, Reggie Wayne for the Colts. And following that, we have a Philadelphia Eagle, Deshaun Jackson. And last hit, not too shabby. It's hard to follow a Merino auto jersey, but after that we got a jersey card, all pros. So not a bad box, Alan. I'm sure you're pleased with that. Again, I'll be emailing a lot of my current sellers and also posting on Twitter what I'm going to do with this last Crown Royal, whether I'm going to save it for the promotion or buy another one for the promotion or just throw up some Topps triple thread spots. So stay tuned. Thanks again for joining us here at cardboxbreak.com. Hope to see you again soon.